my potato set up with a straw at a 45-degree angle, and I'm going to start dropping some liquids in. I tried to put a white background on there so you could see it. I'm going to start with the alcohol, or the red. Putting about a finger's width in it. And apparently it's a little difficult with getting the solution on the potato. But I've got the red in. I'm going to layer the green next. So I got the alcohol. And I'm going for the green, which actually is the salt water, but the kids don't know that. So I don't quite know if that's considered mixing. It looks fairly brown to me. I'm going to try the blue next, which is the glycerin, which should be like a syrup consistency, and I'm not sure how successful I'm going to be at getting this actually in the straw. No, so kind of making this straw overflow. And then I'm gonna try yellow next. And it looks like the blue is settling at the bottom. It looks like the yellow's on top and the green and red, I guess, mixed. So I'm gonna try another trial. What you've got to do is get rid of the solution in your potato by pulling it out and dumping it in a waste container. But I just may use another potato. So you get the potato, you get a straw, and you insert the straw at a 45-degree angle. Okay. And then there's my potato. And now I'm going to add the liquids again in a different order. I'm going to add the blue first because the blue looks like it wants to sink. So the blue is going to be added first. And I'm not graceful at all. And it's going all in the outside of the potato, or outside of the straw. These straws may be a little bit too thin. But let me see if I can get it actually in the straw. So very slowly, I don't know if you can see this or not. Oh, that's an air bubble. Another air bubble. So very slowly, I'm dripping it in the straw. So I'm going to leave it at that. Oh, that's kind of a lot. A lot more than a finger's width. That's hard to measure when you are dripping it in. Next, I'm going to try the green. Because apparently the red and green didn't mix, so let's try the green and then the red. I'll just do a couple drops. And you can tell that the green is nicely sitting on top of the blue. Now I'm going to go for the red because the yellow's stuck on the top of the other one. So I'm going to go for the red. Which is actually working. And then I'm going to go for the yellow. Okay, so the yellow and the red mix. Here's the result of the second one. You can see it goes blue, green, and the red and the yellow are mixing. I don't know if it's just my poor way of pouring this, but I may try blue, green, yellow, and then red. So blue, green, yellow, and red. So I'm going to prepare yet another potato with another straw at a 45-degree angle. Now I guess I could have put the same straw in a potato. I'm not thinking, of course. There's my potato. So we're going to start with the blue, my favorite. And we're going to see if I can do this any better this time around. Taking little drops in the straw. So I did about 9 drops. Slowly making its way in. I'm going to help it by tilting it a little bit. Maybe it needs more liquid down it. Let me add another drop because maybe it'll force it down. So 2 more drops. And I'm going to squeeze the straw to make... I don't know how to make it go down. I have a toothpick that I'm going to stick in there. I don't know if this is part of the solution. I'm just assuming there's an air pocket in there that's not allowing it to drip down, which is what looked like it happened. Let's add a little bit more of blue. I'm getting some blue down there. And there is the blue. And then the next color is going to be the green. And after the green, I'm trying the yellow. And then the red. I'm hoping I'm keeping this straight. And the air pockets are really getting to me. I'm going to stick another toothpick thing down to get rid of the air pocket, maybe. And this is what you get when you get a math person doing a science experiment. There it goes. Okay, and then red. And I hope this isn't the one I tried before. It would help if I actually remembered what I was doing. And there goes the red. And that's the layer. So you can look at it and see the blue, green, yellow, and red are layered nicely. And the paper I taped, I'm going to put behind. There it is. Blue, green, yellow, and red.